1, 2, 3, shaping this destiny.
Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you our typical morning around my home. I have two toddlers, one is 3.5 and the other is 15 months. And mornings can be a bit hectic, as you can imagine. So why don't you come along with me and see what I do to stay on top of things around here while also enjoying my morning with my girls.
To me, I hope we break the tide. Oh, if I could be your light. Tonight we're giving, tonight we're hoping, tonight we're living, tonight we're going strong, and together we go high. Tonight we're laughing, tonight we're loving, tonight we sparkle, tonight we dance along, and together we go high. 1, 2, 3, power still unreleased. What heaven bleeds. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Good morning guys. So far you saw what our morning kind of consists of, and obviously it's still going. So I'm not going to touch this room while they're playing. They're having fun. You love all your babies? But we have just gotten finished with breakfast, and while they're playing hopefully nicely and with no problems, I'm gonna clean up the dining area and the kitchen and maybe do a little extra cleaning while they're kind of happy. So why don't you follow me along and find out what I do every morning when I clean. It's pretty much the same. I don't do a whole lot of cleaning in the morning just because I've already cleaned the night before, and I've cleaned the whole downstairs in preparation for the morning. Most of the time, sometimes it's not like that, but most of the time I try to get the downstairs clean while the girls are obviously asleep, and then next morning when they wake up, we're ready to go and I don't have to do much, and we just kind of play and be together. It's a dreary morning this morning here in Georgia. It's wet, it's rainy, but normally we try to do a porch or outside playtime, but we're not gonna do that today. So while it's dreary, I'm gonna go ahead and just get this downstairs straightened up so that I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the morning. So follow me along and watch my morning cleaning routine. So here's what we're dealing with. These side tables typically go in the living room, but I take them out because the girls like to play with them, turn them upside down, sit in them, and of course that's very dangerous. So I take them out during the day and put them back in the evening whenever my husband and I have like coffee and things at night. So anyway, here's the state of breakfast and morning so far. Plates, coffee cups, dirty high chair, paint from our project. And the kitchen is fairly, dirty, but most of it is I gotta wash a lot of containers and clean the pan that I use. And as you saw, we made some pancakes for the rest of the week. Gotta put those away and basically wash the counters. I haven't washed the counters yet. So yeah, and then maybe do a little vacuuming and maybe mop. We'll see. It doesn't look promising.
Real as can be, you still amaze me. Now that we've come so far, they're going nuts about how happy we are. See the bond that we made.
This particular morning I had to unload the dishwasher. I don't typically run the dishwasher every single night, only when it's full. So I try to conserve water and save a little bit of money that way.
You could do much better, but you gave them one middle finger and the door shut. 'Cause I know we are real as can be, yeah.
If you want to go check out a previous video of mine, I actually organized this drawer and the pantry and other things in my kitchen during a pantry and kitchen organizing video. So go check that out. I'll link it here in the cards above so that you can see how I did all that.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can never go back this road. Can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road. Can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? When you're moving your feet on the dance floor, and you don't care a thing about a word they say. That's how we play. I am here with my friends and we're dancing. We can feel all the obstacles go away.
So my 3-year-old wants to play with Play-Doh. So I'm gonna clean off the high chair and then let her play with Play-Doh. Okay?
That way, I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road. Can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move all night long? The dance goes on.
Play-Doh. Well, I'm glad I did this because I forgot about my plate from breakfast. So, gotta put this in the dishwasher.
Goes on. We got it going, and I am here, and I move with my body, move with my body. We can never go back this road. Can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that?
Alright guys, so I'm gonna let these dry while I clean up the countertops. So I'm going to use some Method cleaners for our countertops. Let me show you. This for the stove top, the all-purpose, and I'm going to use the Method granite cleaner for the granite countertops. And I want to show you something first. Here is our harvest from our summer garden this year so far. I actually put some of the blueberries and blackberries on my pancakes, and they were delicious. It's okay. All right, well, let me get this done before everyone freaks out.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you.
So I have to do another extra task, and that is, very bright, that is putting this probably in our basement. We had a boiling water advisory for 24 hours yesterday, so we've been drinking out of that and not drinking any faucet water or using it for anything. So I might just fill up this, put it in the fridge, and then put this in the basement. We'll see.
I'm not gonna waste this. What What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile.
All right, so the kitchen is done. So now I'm gonna work on our little dining area right now.
Be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love. Fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now?
Some vacuuming and then mop. I know that she's doing Play-Doh, but we'll clean that up later. But I got a mop because I haven't mopped in like 2 days, so I need a mop.
And I want to have a mop it.
What you wanna do now? Wants to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love.
Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. But when you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my
Alright guys, so that is the end of my typical morning routine. I typically don't mop though. Here I'm going to show you all the afters. My kitchen is clean for now, and the dining area and everything's been picked up. There's my little 1-year-old rearranging, and my 3-year-old mopping.
ooh, thought it was in my pants. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hair, it all just goes away. The things I plan to.
If this is your first time watching, please hit that red subscribe button and become part of our family. We would love to have you. I post every Sunday weekly videos pertaining to making your home a paradise. So have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your week and enjoy your day today. Bye.